Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Today we're going to take a look at the double top formation on Bitcoin and where the targets are to the downside and what needs to happen in order for us to reject this double top formation and move up to 40k. Let's look at the charts. So as I told you in my last day trading update that 29.5 is the bottom to break in order for us to claim that we are in a double top formation and that we're going to move to the downside. We did that last week and we're currently hovering around that area. We're currently at 29.4k. We could tap into this volume candle right here at 30.8k or even up to 31.4k and still move to the downside. So I'm expecting something like that because we have a big volume candle in that area which isn't recovered yet, and we could also tap into that and then move to the downside. After that, I do think the target to the downside could be all the way down to at least 27k, where we have another retrace to the upside, and then we could move down to 25.3k, and then one last drop around 25k before we move out of there. Because if we tap into this zone, we will have our first retrace to the upside. So this would then be leg one, and then we could move down to 28k and then bottom out possibly at around 26.5k because we have a volume candle right there. So these two scenarios are something I'm looking at least. If we break this second high right here at 31.8k, we have rejected this double top formation and we're moving up to the next target to the upside, which is at 33.7k. Break that, we're going to 40k. Interesting times. As of yet, we confirmed double top formation, so we're tending to lean on rejection and move to the downside down to at least 27k. Not financial advice, this is just for entertainment and educational purposes. Looking at the news events for this week, we had a quick pump this morning or this afternoon ahead of the Chinese CPI numbers, which is coming out tonight, 3 p.m. European time, and 3 a.m. European time. So that could be in preparation of negative CPI number report from China. Interesting, at least. So we'll see what happens when we wake up later tomorrow, if that has affected the market. And this pump we saw today to the upside is in preparation for the Chinese CPI numbers. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see not a lot of liquidation points around the 30k area. We have them at 33k. There's more long liquidations down to 28k and around 27 and 25k, as you can see right here. So it coincides with our market make structure and the volume candles around 27k and 25k. With that information, you do whatever you want to do. Let's take a look at AVAX. So AVAX is looking quite nice. If we zoom out of it, we can see that we have formed somewhat of a double bottom formation. We're not in confirmation of that yet. We have a big volume candle down at around $11.2. If Bitcoin gets a drop, it could go down there as well and then move out of there. The point to break is at 15.93. Break that. I want to close above that. We form a big double bottom formation, and we could move out of here pretty aggressively up to possibly $18.5, and then the target could be around $21. Break that, we could go even higher. As you see, we had a double top formation a while ago, so this could be a bigger formation forming as well. We have to consider that, but I do think locally we'll have a double bottom formation, we need to break this high right here, and we can confirm it. But I do think if Bitcoin moves to the downside, $11.2 is on the cards, or even we could move down to $9.6 and have a really big double bottom formation. We could move out there if Bitcoin goes to 25k. That's something I'm looking at least. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to each other in a couple of days. See you soon. Be well out.